Sudoku SkVm. I'm going to solve the Hindu newspaper Sudoku Basalam, December 27, 2022. One star Sudoku. Then second grade, two numbers are remaining, 3 and 6. Fourth row, we have 3. So 3 can't come in, so 3 is from here. Then 6 is here. Then 8th grade, two numbers are remaining, 3 and 7. Column F, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell, 3 is from here. Then 7 is here. Then column E, 3 numbers are remaining, 4, 7, 8. It will come here one of the cells. We will confirm later. Column F, 3 numbers are remaining, 5, 9, 6. 6th row, we have 5 and 9. So 5 and 9 can't come this cell. It will come here the 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then column F, only one number is remaining, 6. 6 is confirmed here. Column G, 3 numbers are remaining, 1, 2, 3. 6th row, we have 1 and 3. So 1 and 3 can't come this cell. It will come here the 2 cells. 7th row, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell, 3 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Then column G, only one number is remaining, 2. 2 is confirmed here. Column I, column J, we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. 8th row, 9th row, also we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. Now 1 is confirmed here. Column H, column J, and 9th row, we have pair numbers 6 and 7. So 6 and 7 can't come these cells. It will come in the 2 cells. 10th row, we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. 9th row, 10th row, we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. Then 8th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 8. It will come in the 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column H, column J, we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Now 3 is confirmed here. Column C, 5th row, we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. Third grade, we have 7. Column B, column C, we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. Then 4th row, 3 numbers are remaining, 2, 4, 5. Column B, we get 2 and 4. So 2 and 4 can't come these cells. It will come in the 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then 4th row, only one number is remaining, 5. 5 is confirmed here. 5th row and 6th row, we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. Then 2 will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. 2nd row, we have 2. 6th grade, we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. Then 2 will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. Column H, we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. The 9 will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. The 9th grade, only one number is remaining, 5. 5 is confirmed here. 6th row, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell. Then 5 is confirmed here. Then column G, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 8. It will come in the 2 cells. We will confirm later. 7th row, 3rd row, we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. Then we can confirm 8 also here. Then column J, only one number is remaining, 4. 4 is confirmed here. 7th row, 6th row, we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. Then column B, 2 numbers are remaining, 7 and 8. 6th row, we have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell. 7 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Column B, column D. 2nd row, we have 6. 6 can't come these cells. 6 is confirmed here. Column B, on 2nd row, we have 1. 7 can't come these cells. Then 1 is confirmed here. 5th row, 2nd row, we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. 9th row, we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here. The 9 is here. The 9th row, only one number is remaining, 4. 4 is confirmed here. 7th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 9. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column D, we have 1 and 8. So 1 and 8 can't come this cell. It will come in another 2 cells. 7th row, we have 1. 7 can't come in this cell, 1 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Then 4th grade, only one number is remaining, 9. 9 is confirmed here. 5th row, we have 9. So 9 can't come in this cell, 9 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Then 5th row, only one number is remaining, 8. 8 is confirmed here. 7th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 5. Column H, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell, 5 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Then column H, only one number is remaining, 8. 8 is confirmed here. Column C, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell, 4 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Column I, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 9. Second row, we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Then third row, only one number is remaining, 9. 9 is confirmed here. Column B, we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell, 9 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Then column B, only one number is remaining, 8. 8 is confirmed here. Second row, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 4. Column D, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell, 3 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share this video. Thank you very much.